Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy Saturday, just enjoying my day off. Thought I'd come out and shoot a few vids at the, this is actually just the end of a cul-de-sac, but I come here because it's nice and quiet. And what I want to talk about is these fleeces I've been wearing. I got this one here, and then I bought, and I was so happy with it, I went back to, I got these at ProBass shop, and what I did is I went back and I got a black one for work because our uniforms are dark. So it's basically the same brand, same model, same little white fibers everywhere. I wear this at work because when I'm sitting at the desk, I'm not moving around very much because I'm monitoring cameras and watching for alarm activity. And every time that door opens, the front door opens up, we get this like Arctic blast of cold air. Especially, well, it was worse a few months ago because the air would just come blowing right in. And even though I'm wearing a t-shirt, an insulating shirt, and my work shirt, I'd still feel like a little chilled. So I went and got this so I could wear, and it's been a game changer. So I've been really happy with it. So, like I said, this one's for work. You know, the boss hasn't said anything to me about wearing it because, you know, usually they're like, you know, you gotta have your work logo showing and yada yada. But this is the first one I bought. It's really comfortable too, and it has a nice insulating layer. The downside is a zipper. When I got out of the truck, I was putting it on because I don't drive with it. I didn't drive with it on, but the zipper splits on me all the time, and all I do is I have to unzip it and redo it. But it's been really good. The RedHead from ProBass shop, pretty nice. Got a little pocket here. It's pretty big. I have large hands. Two front. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but. So two front pockets here, and then I don't use it, but there's a rather large inside pocket, one with stuff I picked up. So I've been liking it. I've been wearing this one around the house just because, you know, I don't run my heater, so it gets a little chilly. So I just wear them at home. I'll just be sitting on the computer answering your comments while wearing this, and I've been really happy with it. You know, the sleeves, they don't run halfway up your arm like I've said some coats do. I mean, I wear a 3X, and I've actually ran this through the washing machine repeatedly. I changed out the headlights on my Jeep, and I had to pull the fender well back and then reach up and then like grab the back and then turn it off to get to the headlight bulb, and my arms were all dirty. Just threw it in the washer, came out just fine, didn't even shrink. So it's pretty comfortable, pretty nice. Really happy with it. Recommend it. This was $34.99 at ProBass shop. I will link the description, so if you want to go check it out. They had 3X, unfortunately, was their biggest size. They didn't have anything larger than 3X. I was hoping they'd have 4, maybe 5, but they didn't. Just because I know how, you know, for a bigger guy like myself, it can be difficult finding clothes that fit. And a lot of places don't seem to have larger sizes, but they had one that was a 3X. You know, it comes down far enough. So pretty comfortable. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video and tell you how pleased I am with them. I got the label right here. So it's RedHead. Hopefully, I can't see the view screen, but hopefully that shows. Well, damn tag popped up, but there you go. RedHead 3X. Pretty nice. Been wearing them, it's winter technically still, but it's only, what's the temperature? Is it, come on, pockets. I think the temperature was, my phone was saying Well, my phone says it's 37 degrees, so, and I'm not perfectly comfortable standing here, so there might be a few degree differences, but you know, I'm pretty comfortable. So anyway, I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.